Hi, my name is Gary. I'm a freelance photographer, and Photoshop is what I use all the time, and it would get a 5-star rating. And for more information, click the link below. I've always used Photoshop ever since I've been a photographer for a little over 10 years. It's always been pretty much my go to photo editing suite, all the Adobe products, Lightroom, Photoshop, all of that stuff. I do some edits on the phone with other software, but for the most part, my go to has always been Photoshop. Photoshop for what I do is the industry standard. Everybody uses Photoshop, the Adobe Creative Suite. It's just pretty much the industry standard, and that's where you need to be if you're a photographer. Getting started with Photoshop was really easy. It was pretty much all self-taught. Every now and then, if I have a problem with trying to figure out how to use something or do a certain technique, there's always obviously a lot of videos online now that you can do a search and find that, or use their help their help chat to email questions as well. But for the most part, it's all have been self-taught for me, and that's pretty much how I've learned to use it. My advice for anyone that's going to get Photoshop is to just do it. My old setup was an older computer, and I used the offline version, which I like that fact. Having the software where you have it on a computer and you only need to update as you outgrow your computer system is great. Um, but and I had a little hesitancy with when I bought my new computers and switched over. The only option I really had was to do the online uh, version and playing doing the subscription model. That was a little hesitant, but the more I got to thinking about it, Photoshop is the industry standard, and that was really the only option I felt like I could do. So it's been great because it does auto update, and the assets that you have available to you in Photoshop are great since they're automatically updated. Um, so I just say you got to do it.